Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change 2023 Nissan Rogue air filter. Start by opening the hood, removing the engine cover if present, and locating the rectangular airbox on the passenger side. Unclip the airbox latches, then gently lift the lid to expose the old filter. Inspect the filter for dirt and damage and note airflow direction. Keep fasteners in a safe place while you swap in the new filter and reassemble the box firmly. Open the airbox by undoing clips or screws, then lift the lid carefully and remove the old filter. Check that no debris falls into the intake snorkel and note the filter orientation for correct replacement. If the old filter is heavily soiled, vacuum the airbox interior first to remove loose dirt. Dispose of the old filter properly and keep the airbox clean before inserting the new filter in the same orientation. Fit the new filter into the airbox with the printed airflow arrow toward the engine and ensure it sits flat in the housing. Replace the lid and press down on each clip or reinstall screws, checking for an even, snug seal all around. Start the engine briefly to confirm no abnormal noises and ensure proper fit. Note the date and mileage of replacement for maintenance records and future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.